Hey, Clayton Bates here, and I'm one of Australia's only registered and authenticated Shopify experts. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a manual collection and an automated collection for your Shopify website. I'm also going to show you how to make like a best-selling collection, a new arrivals collection on sale, a couple of other different things as well. So let's get into it. So when you're in your backend of Shopify, you want to click products here, then you want to click collections. Now, normally, automatically, Shopify will add this one called homepage. I always like to delete it. So you can just click here, click these dots, click delete. Because that will actually be a page in the backend sort of thing. It won't be linked on your website, but people can find it and stuff like that. So I like to make everything look professional. So that's why I just delete it. Then you can create a collection here. This one I'm going to do as a manual collection. So I'm just going to put test, for example. You can, for the title and what it's actually called, you can put a description in here. So if you want some text under the title on the collection page, you can put that there as well. This section works a lot like a Word document. So there's like bold, underline, colors. I don't recommend doing colors because if you ever change your colors later, you have to go back and manually do it to all different pages and stuff. Alignment, I always recommend go left because it's easy to read. You can add links and stuff like that. I'm going to make a video that goes into more detail about this section as well and everything you can do and stuff like that. So if you want me to make that video, let me know in the comments. This over here, so for example, if you have like Facebook shop, all different stuff like that, it will actually have all different things on where you want to publish it to. So if you just want it to be online store, you can select online store, points of sale if you have a shop, stuff like that. Over here where it says collection type, you just click manual. The theme template here, I'm going to make a different video about that. Let me know if you want me to make that video. Basically, what a theme template does is it allows you to have different types of collections all over your website. So if you want a collection that has maybe like a video, a banner, stuff like that, image with text, some extra content and stuff, only on one collection, you'd have multiple different theme templates. If you want all the collections to be the same, you'd have a default collection, which I'll explain in another video. If you want to have an image here, like for a banner, you can add the image there, or you can just drag it like that. Now, depending on your theme, will depend on what type of image you have here. If it's square, if it's a wide image, stuff like that, really depends. And then you press save here. Now, once it's made this collection, you can add the products. So if you click browse, you can search the products or you can select them here if you want, and then press add. And now it's manually added those products. There is a way to do it through the products, which I'll show you as well. So if you go products here, then you click on the product, and then you click here where it says collections. You can actually select what collection it goes into. So it's already in test collection, but you could select it there and press save. Now, I'm going to show you how to do an automatic collection here in just 1 second. But when you're in the products, what's very important for the automated collections is what's in your title, what product category, what type, what vendor, and what tags are here. So it's really important when you're adding the products to add all this information if you want to have automated collections. I've made another video on how to make products, and it explains this in more detail. But if you go back here to collections, what we're going to do first is make an all products collection. So all products, then we can put a description here if we want, and then we select automated. Now, when we select automated, it has all these different conditions. So it has like title, type, category, vendor, price, compare at price, weight, inventory, stuff like that. What I'm going to do for the all products is select inventory stock is greater, so it has all different conditions, then 0. So what this has actually done is it's going to pull every single product for your website into this collection, except products that don't have inventory. So if we press save here, every single product will go here except the ones without inventory. If you want every single product to go here, you would add another condition called inventory stock same. is equal to 0. So it's going to put the sold out and the ones with inventory here. Now, these little things here, products must match all conditions. So if you had like 5 different conditions here, the product has to meet every single condition to go into this collection. If you click any, it will have any condition. So what we have to do for this one is select any condition, and it'll do like all the inventory ones and all the ones without inventory. So that's how that will actually work. Now, if we create another collection, this one is called bestsellers. Automated. We can click inventory stock greater than 0, press save. Now, what Shopify is going to do here, it's going to have a sort filter. You could have used this on all products as well if you wanted to. But basically, if you go here where it says sort, it says best selling. So it's automatically selecting all the best selling products. Shopify knows the best selling, it automatically will select them. But you can also do highest price, lowest price, newest, oldest, all that sort of stuff. Manual, so you could actually click manually and then click these dots and move them wherever you wanted to, if you wanted to do it like that. But for best selling, I just put best selling there. Now, another collection is new arrivals. Automated, save. Oh, whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to save there. It didn't let me save anyway. So inventory stock is greater than 0, then press save. And now we can come down because it's new arrivals, press sort and click newest. So it's always going to put the newest products here. One thing about new arrivals that people mess up sometimes is sometimes they add a new arrivals section to their homepage. And then when they're adding new products, they forget to add a product image. The thing when you do that, it's going to display on your homepage. So make sure you put a product image. The next one is on sale. So I like to write on sale. You can write sale if you wanted to. Automated. We're going to put 2 conditions here. Inventory stock is greater than 0. And then the next one is compare at price is greater than 10 cents. So basically what this is doing, it's searching the website for products that have stock and that have a compare at price greater than 10 cents. Because in the other video, when I showed you how to make products on sale, if you put a compare at price, say $30, and your price is $20 that you want to sell it for, it will slash out that price. So what this is doing is trying to register what products are on compare at price on sale. So if you press save here, it will actually show you all the ones that are on sale. So if we open this up, we haven't finished building this website. We're doing it through this series. But see how all these products are on sale? It automatically did that. Now, the next collection might be a t-shirt. So because these have t-shirts, we're going to add t-shirts as a collection, automated. Now, for t-shirts, a lot of collections like t-shirt collection, stuff like that, you can use quite a lot of different options here. So for example, you could use product title contains t-shirt. So anything with the product title t-shirt will go into this collection. You could do product type. So if you put the product type as t-shirt, it will pull it into here. Category, if you did t-shirt, it will pull it into here. Actually, I don't think there is a category for a t-shirt. I think it's clothing is one of them, or apparel or something like that. You could put there. Vendor. So for example, if you had a collection Nike and you had Nike shoes and your vendor, the brand is Nike, you could put product vendor is Nike and it'll pull all the Nike products into this. Product tag. So if we've tagged the product t-shirt, it will pull into here. And then I think that's all of those types that we can do. But if you also wanted to only have the products with inventory, you could do that. Inventory stock is greater than 0. Have all conditions selected and then press save and it will make that. Now another one, accessories is sometimes a hard collection to do automatically. So what you can do here for accessories, automated, you can put a tag on all the products for accessories and then have inventory stock is greater than 0. So as long as you remember to put a tag accessories on all your accessories products, they will come here. Now, a way to get around that in case you forget, because especially if you have large inventories, a lot of people will forget sometimes. So I make a special exception for accessories sometimes. So what I might do is do product title contains belt, for example. So an accessory would be a belt, right? Product title contains watch, for example. And then I do any condition, and then I just keep doing the product title names for everything that would go in accessories. So for example, another one could be handbag. Now this is going to pull all the products that have product title contains those words on any condition. The only thing it's not going to do is you can't set it up to remove all the sold out products. So sometimes if you don't want to forget, if you think you're going to forget to add the tag accessories to accessories products, doing a collection like this normally works better. What I normally tell my clients and people online and stuff like that is, especially if you're adding products every, let's say you had a fashion website, right? You get all new stock in for summer, you add all the products, and then you don't add products until winter. Now, what you're probably going to do is forget all the conditions and stuff you've set up in the background because you're only doing it maybe 4 times a year. So sometimes you forget. What I actually used to do on my website that had 10,000 products back in the day is I actually did this printout, and it had all reminders of everything to do when I add a product, and I actually stuck it to my laptop. So every time I went to add a product, I remembered all the conditions and things that I had to add to the website. So I had like 8 little notes, and then I had a couple of spaces in case something come along later, and I'll just write it in there. That really helped doing stuff like that. Now, another collection you could add as well is, let's just say you wanted to add a collection under $20, for example. Automated, then you could have inventories. Oh wait, which one? Price. Price is less than $20, or you could do $20 one or whatever. Let's just put 20. Now, what's going to happen is it's automatically going to pull all the products that are under $20, and because all our products are $19.95, it pulled all those prices into there. All the products into there. So that's something you could do too. So you could even do a weight one. So let's just do, there's lots of different conditions you can do here. So let's do weight under 5 kilograms. Or you could put everything under 5 kilograms, like that. Automated. Weight is less than 5 kilograms. So there's lots of different conditions you can add here. If there's any type of collection that I haven't mentioned how to do, that you're not sure how to do, leave a comment below and I'll try to make a video. What I've actually been thinking about doing is actually making a PDF download. If I've made that, I'll leave a link as the first link where you can actually go and download it, and it'll have exactly how to make every different type of collection. The best way for me to make that PDF is if you leave a comment below on what type of collection I haven't mentioned in this, or maybe something outside of the box, and I'll try to make a PDF download or another video about it. Hopefully you like this. Check out Shopify if you haven't. There's a link to download Shopify. And it'd be awesome if you subscribed, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.